In this video, you will see how to draw perfect circle in PowerPoint like this. It's very easy. To draw a perfect circle, first go to the Insert tab and you will see the option of shapes here. Click on it and then select the option oval. Now if you directly draw a circle, you won't be able to draw a perfect circle. Either it will stretch vertically or horizontally. So to draw a perfect circle, what you need to do is press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then draw a circle. So every time you draw a circle, it will have perfect circular shape. If you want to remove the color from the circle, you can go to the format shapes option here and then under the field select the option no field, so there will be no color. And if you want to change the color of the circle border, you can change it from here. And the thickness is here next to the width. You just have to enter, for example, 3 points and the border will become thick. In this way you can draw a perfect circle in PowerPoint. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to PowerPoint. See you again in the next one.